This is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and this is ticker symbol PSID, and this is a daily chart. Each candle represents 1 day of trading. There was a parabolic SAR bullish flip on Friday. As you can see, these blue dots here were above the candles on last week until Friday when they flipped below the candles. So this is something that we look for. This is called the parabolic SAR bisignal, or we just call it the bullish flip. And SAR stands for stop and reverse. So what this is telling you is that the prior downtrend has stopped and has reversed. So we're looking now for a new uptrend to begin. There was this break above resistance from August and September. There was this big resistance level, and so there was a close above it. So now that's the key level to turn into support. The next resistance level to break is up here at the high of day, at the 32 level, which was the high over it was resistance from back here in July. So that's going to be the next level to break. As you can see, the 50-day moving average and the 100-day moving average over here at 269 and 273 were resistance until those levels broke on Friday. So that was a very strong move. You know, you've got a break above this 1,500-day moving average and above August and September resistance. Now the next key level to break is July resistance. If you get a close above this July level, then the next level is going to be up here in this 35 range, and that's from back here in June. So if you look at the volume, there was very strong volume. So not only was this a nice break above resistance, but it was on very good volume. You have to go all the way back to June to find these levels, and that's when the last big rally happened. If you go up here at Fasto, you'll see it closed above 80. Now this is a high level for Fasto. It's now in the above 80 over bot zone. The last time Fasto was at this level was back here during the June rally. So the key for the bulls is to, can PSID travel higher? Why above 80? You know, it happened before in June. Will history repeat? That is the question. Now you've got RSI up here with a very strong close on Friday above 50. So that was the high close for the relative strength indicator since back here in June. And now the RSI is between 50 and 70 and in the bull zone. So that's looking very good. And so it's not overbought until you get above 70. So this is where we like to say there's still juice. There's still room to run until the 70 gets hit. So that's always good to see. If you look down here at MACD, you'll see there's a bullish crossover. The black line crossed the blue line to the upside, and that's another signal that we like to look for. And MACD line is now at 0.0000, so that's at 0.000, so it's now positive. So it hasn't been positive during the month since the beginning of the month of October back here. So that's a cool, that's another bullish development here for PSID. And then if you look at this other chart, this chart shows the Bollinger Bands and EMAs 4 and 8. You'll see that PSID busted through the upper Bollinger Band on Friday. So this is this purple line, solid purple line is the upper Bollinger Band, and there was a break above that. See how the last time there was a break above the upper Bollinger Band was down here on June, right here. See how there's a break above the upper Bollinger Band, and that signaled this big run. I mean, this was a huge run here, from the 2s all the way up to 5. So now you've got this setup that's got a lot of similarities to back here, where you have this downtrend here back in May, and then you've got a break above it a break above it here. And so here you've got this downtrend, and then you've got this break above it. So it's a similar setup. You know, you've got RSI and Fasto at similar levels. You've got the biggest volume since this last run, and this is the first time that the upper Bollinger Band has been broken. And then as also you can see here, you've got the lower Bollinger Band is pulling away from the upper Bollinger Band. So that's always a good sign that this is a strong move. And yeah, so this is PSID. We will be looking for follow through this week. Thanks for viewing this chart, and I hope you're having a great day.